So today I'm going to be doing a Bath and Body Works haul. It's going to be a wallflower haul of things that I ordered online. I think it was like maybe a week ago that the wallflowers were $3.25. So I got dual packs. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Ahí está la mami. Say hi, mama. For us. Yeah, mama. So we're outside because it's a beautiful day outside. It was raining earlier. So that's why we're here outside. And we're watching Cheaters. Thumbs up for people that watch Cheaters. Yeah. No, but actually you don't watch it, mommy. You watch like SpongeBob and other things, right, mama? She's just right here with me. Like she's playing on her toys over there. And I'm the one watching the TV. But, okay, so let's get started, guys. Is that, mommy, the little haul? Okay, so is this going to be a little mini haul, guys? So, let's get back in track in here with the haul. Okay, so first item I got here was fresh linen. It's fresh and relax. It's sun-dried linen, apple blossom, and dewy melon. So I love this, guys. Obviously, all the ones I got I love. But I like to change it up a bit. You know, guys, you know me if you guys been watching my channel. Like, I get bored with the same scents, so I always like to get different scents. So in total I have like 4 wallflowers of plugins in my house currently. So I always like to stack up on these, especially if I have coupons. Unfortunately with this one I got the coupon too late though, the 25% off coupon, so I just bought them for $3.25 each. And if you get the pack, it's going to be $6.50 back then, a week ago. But I saw that the day before they were having them for $3.50. Yesterday was the car scents, the circled ones. Then okay, so this is the Japanese cherry blossom. This and floral uplifting pear, Japanese cherry blossom, and sandalwood. So guys, sometimes even what it gets me to, besides the scent, is the color of the wallflower. So FYI, just so you guys know that too. And usually the Japanese cherry blossom, these ones I put them in our room or in the kitchen. And this one I usually leave them for the bathrooms. So got that one. Then right here, and I just put them in here in this bag because I had it laid around. So that's why I just ended up putting them in that bag, even though I ordered them online and they just barely arrived yesterday. Okay, the next one is going to be watermelon lemonade, and this one's fruity and bright. The notes for it: watermelon ice, sparkling water, and mayor lemons. So there you go. Look at the packaging, so beautiful. So it tells you a little bit notes back in there of each package, so you guys can see that. Let me just turn it around really quick. And I've been wanting to get those wallflowers, the plugs, the one that control it, because I have the old-fashioned ones, the one that you just put them in the wall and that's it, but they don't do nothing. I had a light one, like a night light, but it stopped working. But just to let you guys know too, if your wallflowers stop working, the plugins, you can actually return them in the store or give you another one. But I usually don't do that though. You know, I just try to make sure they does work in the beginning, and if they do, sometimes I like return them and sometimes I don't. So that's up to you guys. Next one is going to be the turquoise waters. Oh, I love this one too. It's fresh and clean, coastal waves, sparkling bergamot, and sun-drenched musk. There you go. So beautiful. Look at that. Makes you think like you're there. I have actually on my laptop I have a picture image of this. Okay, that's similar to that, and it tells you right there it uses less than 5% of the energy of a 60-watt bulb. So yeah, that's that. Next one. Okay, and the next one is going to be an online exclusive. Okay, this one is a rainforest gardenia. Botanicals, blooms, classic white gardenia, sweet apple water, bamboo, and white woods. That's what it says for the notes right there. And look how beautiful that looks. Just the side packaging of it. Okay, and again, more info in the back right there. So yeah, I got these ones. I actually ended up ordering 2 more of these when they were on sale the other day, even though I paid a quarter more, but it's okay. So that's what I have, guys. Okay, so an overlook so you guys can take a closer look at them. And I always like to stack up on these guys just because, like, you never know when they're gonna go up in price again, and you know, just it's better to have them while you get on top of a coupon, you know, so you save some money. Because I always like to have nice things, but I love to save money all the time. So usually I buy when it's always on sale. I never pay full price for these items. So yeah, so you guys know that too. And yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up this video, guys. Don't forget to turn on your notification button because that really helps my channel, guys. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye, Mama.
Bye.
Bye, guys.